Unfortunately, there's not going to be any relief when heading to the grocery store soon.
That's right. Egg prices are expected to stay pretty high.
A price outlook from the USDA estimates that egg prices will increase about 20% this year. That's compared to about 2.2% for food prices in general. Government data shows the average price of a dozen eggs was $4.15 last month. According to the Consumer Price Index, that is about a 36% increase from last December. That high price is being driven by the ongoing bird flu outbreak as well as inflation.
The USDA says bird flu killed more than 17 million egg-laying hens in November and December.